Hey guys, Brendan here with slingmods.com, and today we have our Motobatt AGM battery replacement for the Can-Am Spyder. An AGM battery or absorbed glass mat battery is a maintenance-free battery that never needs water and comes charged and ready to ride. This Motobatt AGM style battery is a direct OE replacement for your stock Spyder battery and takes just a few minutes to install. Now, one of the features we really love about the Motobatt is that it features two positive and two negative battery terminals. Now, what this will do is it will allow you to allocate one set of positive and negative battery terminals to your Spyder, and then another set of positive and negative terminals to power your 12-volt Spyder accessories with the use of our optional battery terminal kit. So if it's time to replace your factory Spyder battery, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab yourself a Motobatt AGM replacement battery. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.